All right, well, we are back. We hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. And he's looking at me weird.
Because I'm still gassy
Oh, God.
from Thanksgiving.
Maybe it was not from my apple pie, because my apple pie was awesome. And anyways, you see, he has nothing to say. We wanted to talk today about a current trend in our industry that's been booming and will continue to boom, which is the online industry, and kind of how we've decided to branch out and go more with an online approach. Mm-hmm. So, Yuval,
Rachel?
I guess just tell everyone kind of a little bit about this online phenomenon.
Well, in the old days, when I was your age, I don't like that. And that's right. You're right. You're right. When you're right, you're right. Everybody buys everything online. At least it appears that pretty much anything that you can purchase, people would rather purchase it online. They want the convenience of staying at home. They don't want the hassle of salespeople, or they want to be able to do their purchases when it's convenient for them, whether it's during the morning, afternoon, or even late evening. Mm-hmm. Right? So physical stores have physical hours. We're open from 7 to 7. We can't accommodate someone that wants to be here at 9 o'clock.
If you had it your way, we'd be open 24 hours.
Yes, but that's against the law. I didn't vote for it, but it is what it is, so I have to deal with it.
Perfect.
Okay. But buying a mattress online is something that in the last, everybody's heard about a mattress in a box, right? We're not talking as a business selling mattresses in a box.
Yeah, these are the companies like Casper, Purple,
Right.
Tufton. Okay.
Okay, all those companies. All those companies take a mattress just like we have. They fold it twice or 3 times. They suck all the air out of it. They plastic wrap it. They put it in a box and they ship it to you.
Okay.
Right? We're not talking about doing that. What we're talking about is we're going to give the consumer the ability that if they go on our website and they shop us, that there are certain items that we want them to have. We're going to push for them to see and have to be able to buy it online. The difference between us and I believe them is we will ship it to them to their home, and we will set it up and take care of whatever the need is inside the house, unlike other people that basically drop you a box.
And we're local, so
And
we
we're
also
local.
offer the fact that if you are experiencing any issues, we do have
Exactly right.
a location, or actually 2 locations here,
Exactly.
Katy and in East Downtown, where we can deal with that in the proper time and manner.
Right, and as we said before, I am not pro purchasing anything of this nature sight unseen. The reason is because this is an investment in your life. This is not a purchase.
Yeah.
You purchase that beautiful sweater, it fits you, it looks good on you, you keep it. It doesn't, no loss, you can get another one, send it back, so on and so forth, right? All right. But if you wore that sweater every day, as a, not too good of an analogy, but every day, it wouldn't have a cause and effect on your health. If you slept on the wrong mattress every day, it did.
Yeah.
It would. And if you allow me, here's what happens. Most folks that buy a mattress do not know how to gauge comfort. Mm-hmm. They know how to gauge discomfort. You're uncomfortable, you get up and go.
And we talked about that before.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But that's what's happening in the world of mattresses in a box. A lot of discomfort. But they have nowhere to go. We have areas or stores that you can come, talk to us, and we can fix the issue. Because you bought a mattress because you need a mattress, right? You didn't buy it because you had nothing better to do and you wanted a rectangle in your house. So you're going to need a mattress. So we're going to approach it in a manner, and we manufactured certain things that will fit certain needs for most people.
Okay, so you're getting it. That's what my next question was going to be. So explain to me about the mattresses that we're going to be pushing online.
Okay. So you have pretty much three rooms in a house that are used in mattresses. One, kids, children. Two, guest rooms. And three, the most important, what we call the master room, master bedroom, what you are going to use, right? So if you buy a mattress that's going to be used for your child, how old is your child? How does your child sleep? By the way, 90% of the children sleep on their tummy or on their back. As they grow, they start transferring to their sides. So we take that into consideration. We'll make beds. We've made beds to accommodate that. The second is guest room. How often does someone come to sleep in your house? Now, if it's your mom that comes and she's going to be there once a week, that's one way of looking at it.
You're going to send mom to my house once a week?
No, because that means you come to my house twice a week.
No, go on, sorry.
Okay. My point is,
Foreshadowing.
some people have a guest room that is constantly used.
Yeah.
And some, it's every blue moon, like let's say Thanksgiving. So you have some folks coming in. They stay there 1-2 days and they're gone, and then the room is empty for 2 or 3 months. Right? So you shouldn't buy above a certain dollar amount and quality for that room. Not because the quality is bad, but because the usage is not there.
Yeah, and you won't be using it to go into the support layer. Okay.
Exactly. The last one is the most important one, is your mattress. So I manufactured mattresses at different feels, from firm to supple. I don't like to use the word soft because soft is unsupportive. From firm, very supportive, to something that is cushy, all right?
Like
Because
a
when I
cloud.
said, because when I said supple, that was way too big of a word for you to
I
understand.
didn't like it.
I understand.
I don't know why. Just
Well,
like,
you know, I
it's too
don't know.
visual
It's too
for me.
gooey, too visual.
Yeah.
What is that? Sushi again?
No, I like sushi.
I know.
Sushi's not really supple.
Supple. Okay, let's get on with
Let's go,
what
yeah.
we're doing here.
So when you're buying for yourself or you and your partner, then you're
Right.
looking at a different type of purchase.
Exactly. So, for example, let's say you like to sleep on your back and I like to sleep on my side. You got to have something in between that gives you your comfort level.
Yeah.
So that's what we manufactured, and that's what we're going to show the people that we're going to recommend that they should buy this bed under these sleeping conditions.
Online. Okay.
Most folks don't think of a bed that they buy, online or not, but especially online, from a physical point of view. They think of this: comfort, meaning I want it firm or I want it plush. They'll talk to a friend that maybe has already done it, right? And they'll ask their opinion. Here's the fallacy in that. Let's say I'm your friend and I bought XYZ. It's comfortable to me, but you're not built like me. You don't have the same issues or not have the same issues that I have, right? You don't sleep in the same manner. So what appears to be fine for me might be extremely uncomfortable for you. Here we're trying to eliminate those things, that the merchandise that we're offering online. We're trying to cover as many bases as possible.
Okay, but we also do offer other mattresses that are available online, but that you might want to come in.
I would highly recommend that the word purchasing a mattress and investment doesn't come together.
Yeah, they're different.
Right? All right. I want people to know buying a mattress is an investment.
Of course.
And above what we offer, which we do, 47 different unique individual products, which is nothing compared to what we are able to do depending on each individual if needed be. Right? Those are available to you.
Yeah.
I don't recommend that you buy them online. I recommend that you come and see us, that you get fitted. You take 30, 45 minutes out of your life, okay?
And if you don't want to, you could call or email, and we can at least provide some guidance there as well.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Knowing that If you have a comfort issue,
Yeah, or you're older, you have some aches, you have some...
or not even, but if you
Yeah.
have a comfort issue, you purchase from us and you have a comfort issue, you come back.
Oh, of
We
course.
want to see you. We want to deal with you. We want to have this interaction, okay? So let me ask you a question. Be honest, okay?
Okay.
We don't know each other. You've never worked at this company, all right? I know that would be sad for you. Like, if pissing me off, I'll give you the opportunity. My point is, you don't know us, okay? We have a clean slate. Would you buy a mattress online? Because I know damn well you buy everything else online, okay? Like the other day, you're sitting here, oh, my head is hurting me, I gotta get my Zyrtec.
allergies.
Yeah, allergy, allergies, okay? You get Zyrtec, and then you need to add something else, so you get me water.
I needed free delivery. I had Amazon Prime, and I needed to add $4.99.
Just shoot me, just shoot me, shoot me, shoot me.
Yes. Okay. So that answers the question.
No,
Yes.
no, what answers the question?
There's a two-part answer to my question on whether or not I would buy a mattress online.
Okay.
So yes and no. I would buy. I like convenience. So yes, I would spend a lot of time researching because that's who I am.
Okay.
And I would probably end up buying online to a certain point. So I would buy a mattress that I didn't necessarily need all the time. So if I had a guest room, which I think I should get a house maybe, or a raise so that I can buy a house.
No, that's my next project. I mean, my next purchase in life
But
is your house.
So with my next future guest bedroom, I would definitely buy online because you don't need to come in here. You can get something online, in my opinion. For myself, not knowing what I know now about mattresses, I probably would have bought online.
Can I interject here?
Yes, of course.
Okay. You would buy online.
Yes.
Okay? You would buy online for, we don't know each other. Remember, that's the starting point here. You would research the mattresses because you are a researcher, and I think most people are. You will read the reviews, whatever companies.
Yes, for sure.
I think most people do. But here's the thing. When you'll get through, you will never be able to compare an apple to an apple. So you will have to make a decision, and that decision will come out of convenience/frustration. And you also have a need. Convenience is the underlying deal here for you. So you will buy the mattress, all right, because you need one.
Well, and right now I don't have any serious issue. I mean,
No, even if
sleep
you
pretty
didn't.
well.
Right, but who wants to go to a mattress store and buy it?
Exactly. So I would, but I would.
Okay. Now, if you're lucky, you get the right one.
Yes.
If you're unlucky, you get the wrong one.
Well, which is what makes this company stand out. I'm not just saying that because
Exactly.
it's because you're local.
That's right.
So I'm buying from somebody that I can then go and get what I need if I didn't get it before.
Exactly. You're actually buying from someone that is actually an expert at what you're buying, which is also a rarity. Okay? We don't do much of anything, right, as a business. But what we do well is the mattresses. That's all we do.
Yes.
So we're experts at it. So if you have a problem, you come right back to the expert. Where in most places, if you have a problem, you go right back to your screen and you try to have it picked up, replaced, or God only knows what they do.
That's what I was going to ask. So let's say that I didn't purchase the right mattress. I come in here, I find what I need, and we handle it from there.
That's exactly
You will
right.
pick up that old mattress and then replace it with
the new.
once we, okay.
Absolutely. Because always remember what I say. I need you to understand that your comfort is the single most important for me as the business owner. Right? I'm selling you a comfort product. I need you to be comfortable. So if you made the mistake or chose the wrong one, let's not say made a mistake, you chose the wrong one, I need to be available to you to fix it.
All right.
It was a pleasure being with you today.
It was. Have a good holiday.
That's right.
Whatever you're celebrating.
That's right. Eat. Create gas. We don't have enough.
Take vacation.
Take nothing. Eat, create gas.